Nephi City, Utah. Welcome to Nephi. The city might not be as popular as some other tourist destinations in the country, but it has definitely got the wow factor and a few hidden gems that make it one of the best cities to visit in Utah. Before you start exploring the city, go to the Daughters of Utah Pioneers Museum to learn about the founders of Utah. From there, book a cab to the Little Sahara Sand Dunes, where you'll find yourself surrounded by 60,000 acres of sand dunes. Done with the desert? Head over to the Manti National Forests and enjoy the recreational activities offered by the park. Meanwhile, the Yuba Lake State Park is the perfect getaway for people who want to be closer to warm water. From deserts to mountains, Nephi has the best of both outdoor adventures, and you surely don't want to miss it.